Never born in Trinidad. I've been in Trinidad right now for 3 days now, and it's a lot of rain like this morning. Check it out, baby. All of this is rain all day. Maybe it might hold up later on, but for now, this is what's going on. Rain for sure. Maybe later on I might go for a little run. Go to maybe by the golf course. Take some pics. Relax a little bit. I don't know. Let's see how the day pan out. Okay. Good morning, guys. I'm driving around today, going and hang out with my dad and stuff. Come to the old school and the old area where I grew up going to school. A lot of things changed. It's not the way I could last saw it and could remember what it looked like. Wow. This place looks like a fortress now. Wow, this is where I used to go to. This thing changed drastic, boy. So this is my old school, Mova Anglican Primary School. I went to school here. I can remember walking around this neighborhood. But a lot has changed since I used to come here to school back in the days. A lot changed. That's in the yard here. I can remember skipping, jumping, being a kid. It's a lot of good memories, you know. A lot of nice memories around here. I can remember, you know, walking up this street and there's a shop over there. I can remember going there and buying lunch like Polari doubles, potato pie. Wow, this bring back real nice memories, boy. Real nice memories. I used to walk all the way from up there, come down, you know. So, playground across the street there. And also over the Savannah is over there next door. The Savannah, the fence is up there. It's not like before. Before you could have just walk in, but a lot changed. Still a nice place to come and see. It's actually Saturday, so the school is closed today. This week is a holiday. 2 days they had holiday. Tuesday and Friday was holiday. So go and jump in the car now and go up by my father's house and pick him up so we can go on over famous walkover bridge. Flyover it's called the walkover. So you don't have to be walking in the street or getting hit by a car. You have this bridge to cross over. Reached by my dad. No, what Richard are you talking about? Come by my father. Cage. Come to pick him up to go hang out with. Go and hang and see my brother and Diego Martin. Good morning, Daddy.
Good morning.
Oh God.
I wanted to know where going on the amount of rain and no kind of thing.
He's up in age. He's up in age, but he's still kicking butt. At 96 years old, still kicking butt.
When washing going, I can't tell him to wash, but just go away. See,
No,
English, you don't panic it, but I don't know how that is.
All right.
Just come on.
Oh God, money. Yeah? Let me get a hug there, man. Woo. You okay?
Yeah, you
God, boy. Oh God.
Alright.
So how long was you got outside there?
Yeah.
Well,
Daddy, listen, he's not so. Don't worry about
Alright.
peanuts.
Let me.
We come here to chill out more than because Arthur's run by herself.
She talk about some shoes. We go to some boat party.
So I don't wear it to work.
She ready to work some boat shoes that she some shoes she was some
This is not no
boat
old
party.
shoe, boy. This is a new shoe.
Come downstairs to check to see if we have any mango on the tree ripe. Yes, it's that one ripe right up there. I know, no, you ain't gonna be able to see because the sun and this camera can't really zoom up there, but it's all right, mango right up there. I'm gonna pick it. My sister go and get the stick, and she go pick it for me. Why I go pick it myself? And that is avocado tree right up there. Now these avocado haven't ripe yet, it's small. But definitely, I see a white ripe mango. Hold on, I will get the stick. Give me the stick, please. Look at right, look mango on the floor there. This one right here. Oh shit. Oh God, no. Don't tell me about boss for us. All right. Yep, I got it. And this is a plum tree. I haven't eaten plum in a while. It's not ripe yet, but I'm gonna take a plum and eat right over now. Sweet. Sweet. That's why I love Trinidad. I'm gonna show you guys some ripe plum. Ripe plum for the picking. Here, right here. Yeah. Right there. See, do you see? Right for the picking. After all that struggle, I finally get the plum. See how the plum is when it's ripe? That's a ripe plum. This is gonna be delicious. That's what I'm talking about. And that's what you have to do after I eat it. We had a nice time hanging with my cousins. We're going back now to get my father, and then we headed down to go after my brother. They have been, the day going really nice. Hanging with family, it's really, really nice. This adventure is not gonna be like my average adventure, hiking, whatever. Everything for my new placement. So everything gotta be light activities. Can't be like before, you know. But I'm enjoying the day. The weather holding out. I hope it hold out for the whole entire day so I can really get to enjoy my day out today. Yeah. I can remember you walking up this step.
But they cannot fix it because you didn't have that again. But they cannot fix it all.
This is the mover. This part of the mover is like countryside. When I draw a car?
You want to do that, he can park right by his door.
Savannah. Over here, a lot of people come online in the afternoon. You know, you go come get some ice cream, snow cone, whatever events they have going on. The aqua is, of course, there. And we drive into Diego Martin. Nice day so far with this weather. Beautiful. And this is it. Oh, this is the upper house right there. That's the upper house. Right there. By my brother's house.
Yes, sir.
You see, he was ready to eat, so that's cool. $40. So right now we drop him off. We're gonna head to Basin Waterfall. I haven't been there for many years. I just want to look at it. I know it's not no hiking. It's just a walk to the waterfall. So I just want to go check it out a little bit. Maybe get some drone footage if I can. And then I'll be back with my brother. This waterfall. Well, apparently somebody tied the donkey in the middle of the road. And the guy caged my partner here. Trying to get the donkey them out of the way. Put the donkey right in the middle of the road. If you don't move, you go get hit. Now we want to hit the body donkey. Donkey don't have no insurance. I don't think they have insurance on the donkey.
I got a young one. Alright, me.
Maybe the older one.
I don't know.
It's a young donkey.
They have to have liability for the donkey, you know.
Like, yeah, like
You have to have some kind of liability for the donkey.
Oh, that one you ain't good.
Oh shucks, he is cut off. Somebody cut off his ears. Very well, that donkey. So it's driving to.
Yeah.
Oh, it's right here?
Yeah. Let's go out here. I tell you next one, I will share that, but I'm going right up.
Okay. So we reach at the Basin Waterfall.
Yeah.
Come to check it out. Oh, there's a lot of people down there, man.
It's
And then
what
another
kind of
part.
people, young people, heat up,
Yeah.
right there.
Sure.
You see how they're looking sketchy, young boys in there? Right, I think I'm going for that. I'll show you. See this track here?
Yeah.
Solid?
Yeah, wow, this is a high steep.
Yeah, they wanted it taller one leg.
Okay.
Steeper.
And it's a hike to go up there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Believe me, they won't take that pressure right.
So the other one down there is just to the parking lot right there is there.
Yeah.
And the other one you have to hike up to it. Okay.
The taller one.
Okay. Gotcha. And I heard they have more than one, more than 2 levels, you know.
Yeah.
They have further than that. Because I saw somebody did a video and just went all the way up. It's a beautiful scenery to see. When I last came here, they didn't have these benches here, you know. They have little benches for you to come and relax, picnic, you know. It's cool. They're thinking about having a place for people to come and enjoy. And that's really important, you know. So this is the Basin Waterfall. That's the waterfall there. It's not a big waterfall. Walking down to get a closer view on the waterfall. My knee's still in bad shape, you know. But I'm trying to work it out, you know. I really gotta work out this thing. You can walk this part here. No crap. I don't really want to walk there. Looks like I'll get stuck. Alright. Just take some shots. It's really nice. Enjoying it. Wow. I've been here about 40 years ago. Never thought I would have been back to check out this waterfall. But a lot have changed. You know, it's still a nice place to come and hang out. Nice place to come hang. And if you go further up, you have a bigger waterfall up there. And like maybe about 4 or 5 different levels to this waterfall. You come and chill out, relax. I see you, lady, I see you. Dive. Alright. You see I'm diving in the waterfall. That's cool. It's nice place to come hang, man. Very nice place to come hang. So I'm going over to my brother's house now. See surroundings. You have our parking for you when you come. So you don't have to worry about finding parking. I mean, be wise when you come here. Come with, if you could come with a local, you know, because things happen here and there, you know. But it's still a nice place to come and check out, you know. And that's river going down on that side to go further. Alright. Wow. Nature, boy. Most beautiful thing on this earth, nature. It's really good to get out and explore. It brings you peace in your soul. Down here and this bacchanal tree, it don't like me. It hit me with this bacchanal leaf. I don't know why this leaf hit me. This is a bacchanal tree leaf. They make tea with this leaf. It assists real good. And you put some cinnamon. Oh my gosh. Delicious. Alright, there's a tree there. Came back from the Basin Waterfall. Came over here by my brother's house. It's a good thing we leave now. That time we leave because it starts raining. It was coming out much heavier just now. But now it seems like it's holding up, you know. But I don't know how long it's gonna hold up for. So we're gonna be hanging out a little bit here, you know, enjoying the afternoon with each other. And then after, we're gonna head to the boardwalk down Carenage, chill out a little bit, you know. I'm a little bit out of breath because this knee is kind of hectic dealing with it. I'm not 100% yet. So there's certain things I could do and certain things I still can't do yet. Everything gotta be like flat areas for me to walk. The mango tree have a lot of mangoes on it, Joe.
Reflective of a broader contempt for black and brown nations.
Joe probably saying I don't got a clue what the hell
Ask
she's
Jamaicans what they think of
what
Donald Trump,
I'm
and you'll get a
saying.
wide range of reactions. Some
Man know what
amused,
I'm
many
saying.
frustrated, but
Man
most
don't like
sharply
licks.
critical.
Saying,
These
Lord,
Caribbean
cook
countries were more stunned
this
or more vocal
delicious
than Jamaica.
dish.
As one of the most deeply connected
Normally, you
Caribbean
might
nations
get
to the
something like
United
this on a
States, with over 1.2
Sunday,
million
what
Jamaican
you cook this
Americans
on
living
Sunday?
stateside, the fallout was immediate and
Potato,
personal. Under the new
salad,
executive order, Jamaican nationals
rice
applying
with
for
peas,
tourist, student, and
chicken.
even business visas are
My
now
God, this
placed
thing
under a
is
blanket
really
review process,
tasty.
labeled as high-risk country
So you
designation.
guys can't get
While
any
the
of
U.S.
it.
government has
But just
cited
think about
immigration
it.
violations
It's very
and
tasty.
visa overstays as
I've enjoyed it.
justification, critics argue that the data is
Trinidad.
outdated and grossly
Pick up
misrepresented.
yourself. Nice
The Jamaican
food,
government responded
nice
swiftly.
people,
Prime Minister
good
Andrew
vibes.
Williams called the
Pick up
move a
yourself.
diplomatic.
So no one feed them and they can't wait. Yeah, guys, take it easy, guys. Wow. So he's pretending everybody food. Wow, it's a dog frenzy. Everybody getting their own dish.
Wait. Man,
What is your dog, man, child?
man.
Man? This is man dog here.
This man. His name is Man.
Okay, his name is man.
Yeah.
And what is this
Lady.
lady?
Mama
And Power.
and Sky.
And Sky.
Mama and Sky.
No, and Sky.
So she
Wow.
gets nothing get to put in.
Lady, chill out.
Wait. Alright, lady that yours. Mama come.
Wow. This is a bite of good food. Damn, take your time, baby. Take your time.
You have to choke it? What? English? Looks
Go
like
shop.
honey.
Yeah?
She ain't chew the food.
She making joke?
Oh, God.
Wow.
You won't believe I not put on the food for she.
Wow.
I'm gonna wash your dress on.
Okay. That's exciting. There's a family conference going on here.
You understand? So,
Oh my God. These people is so crazy.
phone number to that
No, I'm just kidding.
talk to him. So I don't know what is she had somebody.
Hey, nephew.
Good afternoon. My dad is trying to blame matchmaker for my nephew.
No, I just
Like
tried
I
to
said to
explain
me,
that part.
If the girl is alright,
He's playing Cupid.
He's not that kind of person. He like the bad girls, you understand?
But I don't
Bad
understand.
girls is fun.
If I know
Because
he doesn't know about bad girl, I will never introduce him.
no, that is nothing wrong with that, you know. But you
Well,
see,
nonsense, you
you
tell me.
no. I'm just saying.
Some guys like
Right.
girls too rough.
Right. Them that girl.
They don't like the church girls.
That can't do with him. You understand? He wants to make sure bully him and all kind of thing. And that's not just like this one here.
Bad girls.
Yeah, just like
Boy like women with excitement,
this one coming from him.
with drama, to make his hair stand up.
Friend reading the Bible, and
He says she's reading the Bible, so she's the good girl.
I decided to choose her because I talked to your father about that.
Right.
Yeah, right.
Understand? So I was thinking that he would choose that girl, and if there's anything, he could either come by me and get the city girl.
You should have called me.
Yeah, that's the next one.
Get back there.
Please have waste your time.
So I thought he
I ain't know what to tell you then.
He hook up with this
Listen to
girl.
me. You telling he's a waste of time.
That's what I'm telling you.
He's a waste of time.
I don't.
Look at what.
They sound like young and restless.
I know it. I mean family.
Grandpa,
And you want to be.
Grandpa, if you tell me he'll have a pan, now he will say something.
Dog was licking my foot just now, and he just stopped. You see when a dog licking your foot, it heal faster.
And that's how
Mr. Doggy, could you please come back here and lick my foot? Hello? Hi guys, I'm back home. Took a shower. Sit down here. I'm gonna end this video. Today was a very nice day, spending time with family, friends, and we had fun picking mangoes, picking plum. We went on. I went to the boardwalk after I left my brother's house, but the camera battery died, and plus the drone, when I try to take some footage for you guys to see the surroundings, you know, and they block the signal, so I couldn't get to fly the drone so you guys can see the footage around the area there. And it's nice. It's a nice place to go hang out. So that's it, guys. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. I'll see you in another one. Be blessed. Have a good night, guys.